Let's find tan x here. Okay, given sine x plus 45 equals to cos x plus 45. Okay, so this one is very simple. Remember, tan x is the same as sine x on cos x. So we have x plus 45, x plus 45. So we can do this one, okay, to suit this one. So we can say since sine over cos is tan, we can divide both sides by cos x plus 45. So we have sine x plus 45 cos 2 cos x plus 45. I can divide both sides by that. X plus 45 cos x plus 45. So this side will go, and sine over cos is tan. So that will be tan x plus 45 equals 2. Now, the question is demanding for tan x, not x. So let's be very careful here. So from here, tan x plus 45 equals to 2. So let's open this one. This one is the same as. So when we have tan a plus b, the same as tan a plus tan b on 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so this one is very, very important. This identity is very, very important. So a is x and b is 45. I can say tan x plus tan 45, which is 1, on 1 minus tan x tan 45 equals to 2. So don't forget that tan 45 is 1. So the numerator will be tan x plus 1 on 1 minus tan x, because this one is 1, equals 2. So you can make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. So 1 times the numerator will be tan x plus 1. Tan x plus 1 equals to 2 times 1 minus tan x. So 1 minus tan x here. So we have tan x plus 1 equals to 2 minus 2 tan x. So from here, we can group like terms. So tan x plus 2 tan x equals to 2 minus 1. So 1 plus 2, so we have 3 tan x equals 1. Therefore, dividing both sides by 3, we have tan x as 1 on 3. As simple as that. All right.